Hey, what's up everybody? Dr. Mike here. We're bombarded daily with so much health information, it's hard to know what to believe. Today, we're tackling 20 common health myths that might surprise you. These are things you've probably heard your whole life, but guess what? They're not entirely accurate. We're going to break down the science behind each myth and give you the real facts so you can make informed decisions about your health. Get ready to learn something new and maybe even debunk some beliefs you've held for years. You've probably heard the saying, drink 8 glasses of water a day. But the truth is, your individual hydration needs vary based on factors like your activity level, climate, and overall health. Many people get enough fluids through other beverages and even food. Listen to your body and drink when you're thirsty. For years, eggs were demonized for their cholesterol content. But recent studies show that moderate egg consumption doesn't significantly impact heart health for most people. Eggs are packed with protein and nutrients, making them a valuable part of a balanced diet. Can you really catch a cold just from being cold? Nope. Colds are caused by viruses, not the weather. However, cold weather can sometimes weaken your immune system, making you more susceptible to those pesky viruses already circulating. Many people believe that cracking your knuckles leads to arthritis. Rest assured, there's no scientific evidence to support this. That popping sound is just gas bubbles being released in the joint fluid. However, habitual knuckle cracking might weaken grip strength over time. While carrots are rich in beta-carotene, which is good for eye health, they won't give you superhuman night vision. This myth originated from a WMU2 propaganda campaign to hide the Allies' radar technology. Does sugar make kids hyperactive? Despite what many believe, studies have shown no substantial link between sugar consumption and hyperactivity in children. Behavioral changes often attributed to sugar are likely due to other factors, like excitement or the environment. Detox teas and cleanses are trendy, but your body is incredibly efficient at detoxifying itself naturally. Your liver, kidneys, and digestive system work constantly to eliminate waste and toxins. Focus on a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle instead of relying on quick-fix detoxes. Antibiotics are powerful tools for fighting bacterial infections, but they are completely ineffective against viruses. Taking antibiotics for a cold or the flu won't help you get better, and can even contribute to antibiotic resistance. Contrary to popular belief, microwaving can actually preserve nutrients better than some other cooking methods. Because microwaving cooks food quickly, fewer nutrients are lost compared to longer cooking times on the stovetop or in the oven. Sweating is your body's way of regulating temperature, but it's not a primary method of eliminating toxins. Sweat mainly consists of water, salt, and small amounts of urea. The real heavy lifting of detoxification is done by your liver and kidneys. While organic foods are grown without synthetic pesticides and fertilizers, they're not necessarily more nutritious than conventionally grown foods. Both types of food can be part of a healthy diet. Choose what fits your budget and preferences. Don't be fooled by fat-free or low-fat labels. These products often compensate for the lack of fat by adding sugar, salt, and other fillers to improve taste and texture. Focus on consuming healthy fats and read nutrition labels carefully. It's a common myth that eating at night leads to weight gain. What matters more is what and how much you eat, not the time of day. Listen to your body's hunger cues and enjoy a balanced dinner at a time that works for you. A tan might seem like a sign of sun protection, but it actually indicates skin damage. A tan provides minimal protection from UV damage and increases your risk of skin cancer. Always wear sunscreen and protect your skin from the sun's harmful rays. It's a common misconception that waking a sleepwalker is dangerous. While it's not harmful to wake them, it's generally best to gently guide them back to bed. Waking them abruptly might cause confusion or disorientation. While 10,000 steps a day is a great goal for overall activity, you don't need to hit that exact number to reap health benefits. Even moderate amounts of physical activity, like brisk walking for 30 minutes most days, can significantly improve your health. Your body processes all types of sugar similarly, whether it's honey, maple syrup, or refined white sugar. However, whole fruits, which contain natural sugars, offer additional nutritional benefits like fiber, vitamins, and minerals. So there you have it, 20 common health myths debunked. It's amazing how much misinformation is out there, even about topics we think we know well. As your doctor, I encourage you to always be critical of the information you come across and to consult reliable sources like your physician or other healthcare professionals. Remember, your health is your responsibility, so stay informed and stay healthy.
You should always finish your antibiotics or you can't get pregnant on your period. It's time to separate fact from fiction and make sure you're getting the right information when it comes to your health. So buckle up, get ready to learn, and let's dive right in. All right, let's talk about antibiotics. We've all heard it. Finish the course even if you feel better. But here's the thing, it's not always that simple. Now, I want to be crystal clear. I'm not saying you should stop taking your antibiotics the moment you feel a little better. You should always follow your doctor's instructions. But there's growing evidence that in some cases, shorter courses of antibiotics might be just as effective. Think about it. Antibiotics are powerful medications that target bacteria. When we use them too often or for too long, we risk something called antibiotic resistance. That means the bacteria become stronger and harder to kill with the same antibiotics. It's a serious public health issue, so while finishing the course is still the general rule, it's important to have a conversation with your doctor. They can assess your individual situation and determine the best course of action for you. Remember, every case is different. If you have a serious infection, finishing the entire course of antibiotics is crucial. But for less severe infections, a shorter course might be appropriate. Always consult with your doctor to make sure you're getting the right treatment. Next up, let's debunk a myth that's been around for ages, that you can't get pregnant on your period. Now, while it's less likely to conceive during your period, it's not impossible. Here's why. Sperm can survive inside the female reproductive tract for up to 5 days. So, if you have sex towards the end of your period and ovulate early, it's possible for those resilient sperm to still be hanging around when your egg is released. Remember, ovulation is the name of the game when it comes to pregnancy. It's when your ovary releases an egg ready for fertilization. And while ovulation typically happens mid-cycle, every woman's cycle is different. Some women have shorter cycles, some have longer cycles, and some are just unpredictable. That's why relying on the calendar method for birth control is risky. It's not an exact science. If you're sexually active and not trying to get pregnant, the best way to prevent pregnancy is to use reliable contraception. Talk to your doctor about the options that are right for you. And remember, understanding your own cycle is key. Track your periods, pay attention to any changes, and don't hesitate to reach out to your doctor with any questions or concerns. Finally, let's talk about diet soda. It seems like a no-brainer for weight loss, right? 0 calories, gotta be better than the sugary stuff. Well, not so fast. Studies have shown that diet soda might actually contribute to weight gain, not loss. It sounds counterintuitive, but there are a few reasons why this might be the case. First, artificial sweeteners can mess with your gut microbiome. That's the trillions of bacteria that live in your gut and play a crucial role in digestion, metabolism, and overall health. When your gut microbiome is out of whack, it can lead to inflammation, insulin resistance, and weight gain. Second, diet soda might trick your brain into craving more sugary foods. Think about it, you drink something sweet but it has no calories. Your brain gets confused and starts craving the real deal, leading to increased sugar consumption overall. And lastly, diet soda might disrupt your body's natural hunger cues. When you drink something sweet, your body expects calories. But when those calories don't arrive, your hunger hormones can get thrown off balance, leading to overeating later on. So while ditching sugary drinks is a great idea, swapping them for diet soda might not be the magic bullet you're hoping for. Focus on hydrating with water, unsweetened tea, or other healthy alternatives. So, there you have it. 3 common health myths debunked. We talked about the nuances of antibiotic courses, the possibility of pregnancy during menstruation, and the surprising truth about diet soda. Remember, health information is constantly evolving, and it's crucial to stay informed. Don't believe everything you hear, and always consult with qualified healthcare professionals for personalized advice. Your health is your most valuable asset, so take the time to understand it, ask questions, and make informed decisions. Stay healthy and stay informed. Until next time.